What's up? This is Celestial Mike, the mic in the hands of God, and you're connected to Radio DR.co.
Yeah, it's that dope. What's up?
Ngale kunzima bengibiza ngesima la ngikhanyise khandlela abanye becima la donsa nepeni ngabhala ngajula izintsha zanginitsha ngaqala ngagula Nkosi nethusi lafika ngavuka qhubeka nohambo nendlela ngagula mike ngayibamba ngesinele ngaspeed sangithatha ngekaso ngalazi wakwini saluthi nazi present ilokishi khona thu khona bushela ipolish bonga kuyaxoxwa kulalelwe le ndaba irili iqinise sanuka le ndaba sabe kulungile sijemile sirip basinikeza ithuba siqedile komile dala siqonqoza bevala bekhiya bephapha phakathi kwamanzi bebi ukukwakhayo lokhulisa umqondo kuthanda imfashini noliphi abamhlophe ozalandela ngikuvulela indlela uthatha amathathu uzovuka esibhedlela kulile manje ngimdala kule game ngidinga diamond ungangizeli ngefame phakela indlebe lambili izisuthe kubaleka ifake yoqasha izithuthu bitches angikhithiza ngikhathaza indoda ididise ngigisi phethwa amalona hambo ngaqala ngothandwe nesibindi akekho wangizuma ngiphethe kwesibhamu futhi nginethemba kuzofika phambili ngikhuluma geba ngibasini isindlawu thatha amathathu uzobhala clever kudala ngibatshela semzansi clever ngingivemile la dosa la kwaphala zingane zagrosa la zakhala ngesisu nekhanda libuhlungu ngathi relax engadonsi painkiller fika iNkathazo ngentshela kuyashula dala igobela ivalelwe iphutshuma manje ngiyandile ngidiniwe ngiangry siqhubhe ngisangu uyazizwa siheavy usabathandi bomshosha phansi ngikade bafowethu umona pha usisalute sekugquka amajoni ifake ingcwatshiwe ibule wamahlungu ngeleza ngiflow abengizwe uthukela ngibuka bengikhala abanye bengisukela bekisa ikhanda ngabheka phambili ngayirukela icrowd ngaphuma phambili sithe sayisala jamilo zomiwe khala ngokoma ngayiphuzisa iflow kojela manje sibiza iNkathazo sutha amachips seyidakwa amasimu bonke bablandi babone ngomopho pretty bombile ngibahle police force uthi agengiwa kusino kwamagazo thatha amathathu uzokhala ngaphansi.
You are now tuned into recording live again on radiodr.co.za. Reporting live again, it's your boy J, city to city, titty to titty, holding it down. I'm with my nigga, my brother, my loved one, the legend himself in the flesh. Just dropped the video for iNkathazo with the clips. This is my nigga iNkhathazo inje ubabhudu umnomzana. Dokab, what's up dog? Grand.
Basha lapha kumocha mayinika onke into right ifesu mje hayi onke the grand sharp ofethu wende.
Ithi bese response ebekezela Dokab bathina abantu.
Bayakhala abantu
lebezela.
Basha lapha.
Bathino bhejo.
Bayakhala ngebekezela mfethu bayincoma up and down bafethu iphumile ivideo ibekezela eclip speed featuring iNkathazo and Mano bekezela bafethu iphumile nesithola senkundleni zokuxhumana yonke into right ifethu.
Ziyasho Dokab ziyasho bese manje bethi sithini Dokab project beso spana phezulu one right now Dokab wenza la
ngisipana phe kwealbum mfethu album iNkathazo album mfethu isihloko sayi hustling till today mfethu so release by September ukuthi date sazoyihlela kahle mfethu kuhamba isikhathi.
Yabo le ngoba le mfethu yona mfethu i-title track ye-project dog yale beats le dlala manje Dokab shout out to Clips Beats Dokab.
It's a Clips Beats by the way. Baselapho
mfethu le mpandla le dog ngiqala ukuyiza ngizwe uslow L Dokab ngangimvala uthe JPS angizamkhumula uNkathazo yedwa kamlalele le mpandla le ngasangana nje ngathi ongisendena usayi ungangisendela Dokab akaphuma ngathi ayingedwa Dokab ongiphe nongipreview mfethu.
Yes amayinika mfethu sendleleni yonke into right.
Also Clips Dokab
yasetshenzwa yaphushwa kuyaspanwa mfethu umsebenzi uyeza mfethu.
So like let's tell us how ibekezele came about ngihlangane kanjani uClips nesesa lempahla le Dokab.
Ibekezela mayinika mfethu ejule kakhulu uyabona nje uma ungalalela ichorus mfethu ithi wathi umama angobekezela so ejule kakhulu mfethu noma umunye umuntu angakhuluma athini asinandaba naye siyiNkathazo yethola mfethu but kodwa mekusho uma ethi mabekezela ayinganqamukile egini mfethu uthi bekezela so itrack mfethu uyahlangana kamnandi kanjani mfethu it's active beats mfethu wena mnwe track so itrack wena umuntu wayihlanganisa itrack from the scratch beats yonke into mfethu and then sifaka ama verse yaphuma itrack right emnandi bayithanda nabantu video is out track yesa so
mfethu I video dog I abantu bayakhala dog Bakhala, dog. We try to
basazokhala
first push and let's get that motherfucker on Channel O, get that motherfucker on MTV, dog. Gcwalisela ama-ex wonke. Gcwalisela ama-ex, dog.
Bazokhala,
abaseneka sawemali enja le. Enja le enza masimba nje.
So lokho ezile sithi Eclipse Beats by the way. Angithi yezomfethu. Ngakhathazo.
Kodwa mina bese le ngoma hustling so today, bro. Fucking bitch. This is my favorite track so far. It's quite nenge impahla yeah. Kunjini kamu.
Make you feel,
bitch. Oh shit, bitch. Oh
yes, umsebenzi album
yakho. Umlazi dog reporting live Ngakini, bitch. Ngakini, bitch. Shout out to CeeLo, Deeply Rooted, the whole team, bitch.
Hayi it's a new set mfethu umlazi. K ikasi
bitch. Shout out to iNkhathazo, bitch, showing us love. We appreciate it, bitch. So shout out to all the people listening in Singapore, Manchester, Liverpool, Ngakini, bitch. So bossa. Yawona nje bitch. Manje osho talk kule projects lena. Like who have you worked with, Dr. Ame, production wise, or is it like exclusively with Eclipse Beats?
Cha iproject nje yami ngathi u90% womsebenzi kwiproject mfethu uproducer weEclipse Beats mfethu 90% and then u10% ke uyazi siyaphila nabafowethu bakhona esebenzisana nabo abanye mfethu but ngizothi nje mfethu ispan nje Eclipse Beats mfethu iproject isiyonke kahle mfethu yeah nisebenzile khona ama feature khona yabona nje mfethu
ususibane nobani like feature wise
bakhona oNathi mfethu sipanile noNathi for a feature sipanile mfethu no MCL for a feature ama feature mfethu
shout out to Ubado
yes numano sipanile Slow L sipanile yabona nje sipanile namakhethi mfethu ama artists sipanile JJP sipanile mfethu
safanele sipanile beats umano no mi EP remember it's like a 5-track EP 6-track EP
udope mano yazi
Enswembu dog Enswembu aweka bangamazi no bro like from working with Slow L impahla le festive season sakhipha la step dog
yeah
hey it's now le impahla le ibekezela dog on the last hook and unevesi nyana khona dog
hayi siyaphusha sasipana my nigga it's good la sakhona mfethu so nje abafule indlela mfethu good la sakhona
mina into engiceze ngikhala ngako lova is the business side of things yabo like I say all over need to take things seriously in terms of admin, like registering go Risa, nago Kapaso, nago Samro dog, registering your businesses, so owning your publishing, owning your masters, so that shit dog, all over my boga and it's the most important thing dog. That's how niggas are eating, guys. That royalty check is important, guys. Too much.
Nah, if it's
so you already don't exabot to all over kakhulu dog kakhulu guys
ngathi umsebenzi omuhle umsebenzi ugcina ungasatholakali
and ugcina ungasahola
fike nakwabanye abantu
sorry so push it bro like niggas need to register their companies first so even if it's iNkhathazo Holdings or iNkhathazo Records dog or Eclipse Productions it's niggas really need to be about that shit dog for real it's one better dog cause like khona umngane mfethu hydro bro hleze ngitshela ngekandala zosamro badle o 60 meters o 80 meter unclaimed royalties of ama artists awaclaim ama royalties mfethu ingoma mfethu izidala ko radio sikhandi all over abazi uzithini leyo mali ifendo osamro ngingafile ngoba lo mfethu unregistering the shit. So I'm always stressing that shit, dog. To whoever's tuning in, take care of that paperwork. Take care of that admin, dog. Press that CEO button. Be a boss. Ngempela mfethu. Ngempela, dog. For real, mfethu. Because when you reach that place of okay, fine, it's time to sign a deal. Uxoxe into, dog. Uxoxe into, fine. Uxoxe into. Uxoxe indaba zokuthi say I want 15% for publishing and distribution. Yeah, nothing more. ngiyazenzela ingoma ngiyayishayela ama-video ngiphuna nje umuntu ozongiphushela ingene rating nge-TV kuphela itho ngiyayishayela merchandise ngiyayishayela khululeka wena nje just make sure the shit reaches wherever it needs to reach yabo and awuvele ufike leyo level leyo dog yabo if you want to sign a deal early whereas with sort of usibafriend noma record deal album face they're not getting paid or bahola imali encane sothi ngoba bese platinum making millions kodwa wena usahlala gogo wakho bona all bese nje ibashaya lento le dog kakhulu mfethu kakhulu dog. So I'm always stressing sort of all this dope shit we're doing, we need to make sure that it's registered properly. The videos are fucking dope, the merchandise is on fleek, these songs are playing on radio, we're getting paid. That royalty check, man, then it on the mailbox money, dog. So the SMS kasam, dog. I'm with I. That's in my I'm not to check out, dog. I'm going to bank your deposits, pay. So that's what's up, dog. That's what's up, dog. So which is like the single Hustling Till Today.
Yeah, Hustling Till Today is single.
Hey, Hustling Till Today, but say I pull me, but no me next week. I pull it next week.
Yes.
I pull it. Iyangihlangisa dog.
Phela my nigga yabona into ekesho inkathazo kethena mfethu ireal ngani na mfethu ayi-act ayiqamba manga eyibona mfethu yabo indlela engiyona iyona music hip hop ngiyayiphila yona indlela ngibuka ngayo indlela engiyona indlela ngenza ngayo angikwazi ukuqambela amanga ngikuthela amafilimu mfethu yabo so nje into ebalekile we keeping the real shit dope mfethu yabo so siyasipana mfethu siyaphambili mfethu
phela mfethu umlazi dog is like the is the future dog. It's the future dog. It's in the face. And you said it's Ngakini face. It's in the dog. First back clean the dog. First back clean the face. First back clean the dog. More face. More dog. So cool projects Lena talk. I'm Hustling Till Today. How many like tracks do you think you wanna have on that motherfucker?
18 tracks. 18 tracks if it's 18 tracks if it's so
bazonya dog bazonya choka bazonya face yabo nje lempahla le
siyabakhathaza mfethu
alenzo sele fine vele na mfethu ngiphethe noma ingane ezu2
eselikiwe
just for control it for controleke nje mfethu understand ukuthi kwenzalani dog face. So what like when did this all start? When did you like start, working on this project? So when did iNkhathazo really start getting into the game,
my neck iNkhathazo umzukwana iNkhathazo mfethu abantu understand abantu wasithi iNkhathazo igama elijule kakhulu leli mfethu iNkhathazo sisakhathaza amadoda lyrically physically mentally yonke into mfethu yabo so ngasithatha amachance wayibona so iNkhathazo mfethu started igame la 2005 ikhipha mixtape yayo yokuqala mfethu yabo 2005 khipha mixtape yokuqala 2007 khipha esibili mfethu and then 2010 and then ngibengakhipha enye mixtape mfethu 2014 ngakhipha enye mixtape mfethu and then 2018 buye ngakhipha enye mixtape mfethu kusuka basubhani mfethu and now 2020 mfethu khipha album Hustling Till Today and I'm working with Eclipse Beat
so Ngakini reporting live Ngakini sponsored by all over shout out to Radio DR deeply rooted Facebook. Holla at us on Spotify, holla at us on Podbean, Apple Podcasts, let's inclusion my take in if it's how James man game 17 Finland impahla ke more face yabona the face kade umhlangana no samkela face uthethe wathi ngilalela episode le dushana uyankene but awisiya dog after sabangena dog sabangena face yabo sabangena face officially thoroughly Ngakini.
Yeah.
Shout out to bonke omeshenti. We appreciate it. Also.
That's it. Bose matameni.
So.
Siya quarantine.
Let's go down Eclipse Beat dog amai. Sazospana dog. I'm calling a secret snack la face. Kuna manga secrets la dog face. Kuna secrets la dog damn face. I love what's going on right now. So I feel like the quarantine, the fine, but able to push us. Shout out to Zago with the lockdown ciphers. That shit is amazing.
Yeah. Salute Zawe.
Shout out to all Slaker on live. I'm last bocha, bruh. Shout out to Lungelo Manzi dog. Shout out to T-Bag, CCE, Shout out to AK, shout out to Slow L, mfethu ubaqinile nje ngama-video for the past couple of months, which is dope, dog.
Mgolokodo.
Yabo, yona into enhlezi ngibatshela ukuthi mfethu baqine ngama-video, dog. Ningabadedeli, bra. Ningayiphosti, dog. Baqine ngama-video. Fana, ningayibaqine, dog. Nibaqine, mfethu. Ka-100, dog. For real, mfethu. Fake Porsche, bra. Fake Porsche, mfethu. Now more than ever, dog. And all of about Porsche, bra. Shout out to AK, mfethu. Quarantine, but shout out to Wong, mfethu. The quarantine tapes dropping soon. Again, it's end of June. I think AK is gonna drop end of June. Low-key, so just got that deal with UKO's kind of world. It's all over about Porsche. Whole lot of dope things going on in Germany right now. Black coffee, seven of my shares go Def Jam, but Gabon, if I found over my side and I found on STC, okay, for face, it's an amazing time for the South African like entertainment industry right now, bruh. And 75% of that industry is KZN first, officially, dog. Sabaqina nje heavy, dog. Sabangena nje thoroughly first. Sabangena nje, dog. Kakhulu first. Into nje ngisho ukuthi abaqhubeka abaqina all over, dog. Abaqhubeka first. Abaqhubeka first. Manje inkathazo, dog, all over bengakuthola like first on like the socials, nan go Insta, dog, or you still gonna set that up, dog. Still first. Abantu bakuthole kephi first.
Yeah, for now mfethu ngathini ngathi lezi zinto soyilungisa into efana lezo yasemhlabeni siyaphila ziyafika ziyadlula so soyilungisa mfethu abalindele bona umsebenzi uyeza mfethu
kodwa khula mfethu the hustling till today video I can say if it's not gonna drop this week, it's gonna drop next week, dog. Because I'm very passionate about this fucking song and this fucking movement, dog, that we've got going on right now. But let's keep the fucking ball rolling first. Reporting live again, city to city, titty to titty. J Bossa. Yes. Shout out to Silo Feso. Shout out to Deeply Rooted, making sure everybody's receiving the motherfucking thing. Go Singapore, Europe, Asia, dog, fuck, nigga, shout out to everybody tuning in. We appreciate it. Subscribe, Radio DR on Spotify, Apple Podcast, YouTube, wherever. It's Ngakini. Inkhathazo, talk up.
Nice.
Eclipse Beats, talk up. Sobangena,
Eclipse Beats, by the way.
Yo, it's your boy Rob, and you're listening to Radio iNkhathazo. Easy.
Ngale kunzima bengibiza ngesima la ngikhanyise khandlela abanye becima la donsa nepeni ngabhala ngajula izinto zanginitshwa ngaqala ngagula Nkosi nehlosi lafika ngavuka qhubeka nohambo nendlela ngagula Mike ngayibamba ngesicele ngaspitha ngithatha ngekaso ngalazi wakwitha saluthi nazi present ilokishi khona thu khona kushela ipolish bonga kuyaxoxwa kulalelwe le ndaba ireal iqinise sanuka le ndaba sabe kulungile sijemile sirip basinikeza ithuba siqedile komini dala siqonqoza bevala bekhiya bephapha phakathi kwamanzi bebili ukukwakhayo nokhulisa umqondo kuthanda umfashini nolipha mhlobo ozalandela ngikuvulela indlela uthatha amachance uzovuka esibhedlela kulile manje ngimdala kule game ngidingida imani ungangizele ngefame phakela indlebe lambili izisuthe kubaleka ifeki yoqasha izithuthe bitshisa ngikhihliza ngikhathaza indoda ididise ngingisi phezwe amalona hambo ngaqala ngothandwe nesibindi akekho wangizuma ngixoxa kwesibhamu futhi nginethemba kuzofika phambili ngikhafula geba ngibasile isindlawu thatha amachance uzogcwala clever kudala ngibatshela semzansi clever ningivemile la dosa la ophala zingane zagrosa la zakhala ngesisu nekhanda libuhlungu ngathi relax engadonsi painkiller fika inkathazo ngentshela kuyashuka dala igobela ivalelwe iphutshuma manje ngiyandile ngidiniwe ngi-angry siquphe ngisangu uyasizwa siheavy kusabathandi bomshosha phansi ngikade bafowethu umona pha usisaluthe sekugquka amajoni ifeki ingcwatshiwe ibulewe amahlungu ngeleza ngiflow abe ngibizwa uthukela ngoku abe ngiqala abanye bengisukela bhekisa ikhanda ngabheka phambili ngayibukela icrowd ngaphuma phambili zithe sayisala jamilo zomiwe ikhala ngokoma ngayiphuzisa iflow bojela manje sibiza inkathazo sutha ama-chips eseyidakwa amasimu bonke bablandi babone ngomobho pretty bombile ngibahlephula isifomo uthi agenqiwa kusinokwamagazo thatha amachance uzokhala ngaphansi.
You are now tuned in to reporting live again on radiodr.co.za.